In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use N8N with YouTube in just a couple of minutes. If you're new to N8N, it's a powerful no-code automation tool that lets you connect apps and streamline repetitive tasks. Let's get started. Open your browser and head to the official N8N website. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign In button at the top right. Logging in is important because it gives you access to your saved workflows and lets you create new automation projects. After signing in, you land on your N8N dashboard. This is your control center. Next, click the plus icon to create a new workflow. From the list of applications, choose YouTube. This integration allows you to automate channel management, playlist tasks, and more. You'll now see two types of triggers. You can run your workflow on a schedule, which lets you automate tasks at set intervals, or on a vehicle call, which triggers the workflow when an external event occurs. Choose the option that matches your automation goal. Once your trigger is set, explore the available YouTube actions. You can retrieve or update your channel, upload a channel banner, and manage playlists with ease. N8N also lets you create new playlists, delete old ones, or fetch details from specific or all playlists, making organization effortless. Each action is designed to simplify routine YouTube work, so you can stay focused on creating content while N8N handles the back-end tasks automatically. And that's all you need to get started. With N8N's YouTube integration, you can automate uploads, streamline channel updates, and keep your content organized, all without writing a single line of code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.